So they will be doing the total. Saan ako nakapwesto? So ang una ay, marunong ka pa sa akin. Alright, so sila ay kakanta or kakasa sa Total Eclipse TikTok Challenge. Are you guys familiar with that? Yeah, so pakinggan natin. Are you ready? So let's start with Kerwin. Ha? Masakit sa dibdib. Kaya mo yan. DJ, paulit-ulit. Medyo na-excite siya eh. Nakalimutan niya yung lyrics. Pero nakatingin na siya. Paulit-ulit, DJ. One more time. Let's give it up for Carl.
Turn around, every now and then. Turn around, every now and then. I fall apart, and I need you now.